Hello, welcome back. Today we're unboxing this. It's the Honda S2000 in 1/24th scale by Tamiya. As you can see, you've got white on the front, example there with red, shows the optional hard top, and you've got a picture in Indy Yellow Pearl there, detail of the interior. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. We've got the instructions, stickers and sprues there, tyres, body, more sprues, one of the wheels has fallen off, decal, and clear parts. This was purchased from Kent Models. You can get 10% off your order at Kent Models using the code BOAB10 at checkouts. Terms and conditions apply, and every time you use it, it benefits me and the channel. So thanks very much. If we start with the instructions. Honda's first passenger production car, the S500 open two-seater sports car, was announced at the 1962 Tokyo Motor Show, going on sale the following year. After the production termination of the successor, the S800, Honda moved away from producing front-engine rear-wheel drive sports cars. September of 1998 saw the sensational rebirth of this type with the announcement of the S2000. This open two-seater features the traditional sports car look with a purposeful long nose, short deck styling. Futuristic headlights wrap around the side, appearing to be pulled back, poised for speed. The naturally aspirated 2-litre inline-4 dual overhead cam VTEC power plant pumps out over 250 horsepower, yet still manages to reduce toxic exhaust emissions to 1/10 the level of its predecessors. The positioning of the engine is also ideal, sitting just behind the front wheel axle in interest of 50-50 weight distribution. The sturdy body and superior road handling, meshed with a 4-wheel double wishbone suspension and a newly developed 6-speed manual transmission, offer high tractability and synthesis between the car and driver. The inside of the cabin features bucket seats, state-of-the-art digital indicators, and a red button for starting the engine. Of course, the impact-safe design, airbag, and all other safety features of modern sports cars have also been thoroughly considered. Developed in celebration of Honda's 50th anniversary, the S2000 will surely take its place as the 2000cc sports car to beat in the 21st century. A little bit of an old description there, being from when this car was new. However, I still feel that this car has aged particularly well, and it looks just as good now as it did 25 years ago. So here we've got the instructions. As you can see, there are recommended colours here, precautions, tools, got brakes, the underside of the engine. There's no actual engine, but you've got a little bit of detail. Suspension, steering arm, all that stuff. Got the wheels, exhaust, undercarriage, interior. It says about selecting left or right hand drive, which you can do here. Putting the interior in, applying metal transfers. Bodywork, and making sure you remove that. Windows, put that all together. Headlights, roof, taillights. And then on the back, you've got information about where all of those decals, silver stickers go, things like that, and about the colour. It was initially available in 6 body colours and 2 interior colours. And in September of 2001, some minor changes were conducted on the car, leading to a total of 13 body colours and 4 interior colours. So let's have a look. So, sprue, you can see we've got the floor of the car, got the disc brakes there, exhaust pedals, more steering parts, more exhaust parts. There's the wishbone suspension, all moulded very nicely, considering this kit is about 25 years old. So yeah, not really much flash, but it's really crisp and clean. Okay, in this one. So here we've got the window masks, so keep those nice and safe. And as well as that, we've got the roof. Interestingly, this one is moulded in solid plastic, and you can add the rear window. We've got the left-hand dashboard, we've got the door cards, so the centre console and windscreen wipers and steering wheel. Again, no flash on that. This is the largest sprue, moulded in black. So, as you can see, we've got different door cards with this one. We've got the seat cover at the back, we've got the right-hand drive, steering wheel setup, windscreen wipers, more suspension parts, shock absorbers there, There's the little radiator bit, another steering wheel, things like the mirrors, handbrake. There's the seats, you've got the little roll bar bit, and you can see the detail in the interior there. There's actually not much detail in there. Most of the parts seem to be added, which is good. Okay, so yeah, again, really no flash. Here's the bodywork. As you can see, got multi-part rear lights. You've got the central brake light, little bar over there just to reinforce the A pillar so that it doesn't get squashed. Headlights are separate. You've got a little marking there actually to show you where the Honda badge needs to go. Not really much in the way of mould lines. I think you can feel them just along here. They're sort of in the panel line of the car. Again, it goes along this line here at the front, so that's good. Well done, Tamiya. Yeah, really nice. We've got two sets of wheels here. Start with these gold ones, so you can see these are all the same, and these are the ones which I believe are on the box art. Yeah, so these ones already painted in gold if you want to use those ones, or alternative you've got the sort of more standard ones, and these are on the chrome sprue along with the headlights as well, and you've got little exhaust tips on there too, and I don't know, that like little boot clip or something. There's just a little silver pin there, but yeah, all nicely moulded anyway. To go with those, we've got tyres in here. I believe that these are all the same. We've also got polycaps, and the tyres, they are actually Bridgestone Potenzas, so yeah, we do have side wall markings on those, so that's always nice to see, and those just fit on like so. You see, really nice and easy, look pretty good. Little sort of sports tyres, I think. And then finally we've got this clear sprue. So I'm not going to open this one because I don't want to damage anything, but you can also see that we've got that decal sheet here. We've got hubcaps, instrument displays, Honda number plates. There should also be a chrome sticker sheet. Oh yes, I see where that is. Okay, I'll show you that in a moment. So you can see we've got the headlight covers, those are the tail lights, these go over the top of the tail lights, that's the central brake light. Not sure where that one goes, but yeah, we'll find out. I think these are the side markers. So yeah, all look pretty good, and obviously we've got window masks for those, which will make it a lot easier. This. So yeah, sign of Tamiya quality. We have got some little chrome stickers, so you've got the mirrors, Honda badges for the front and rear, and the S2000 badge for the side. So quality bit of kit there. So there we have it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon.